2006 Toyota Camry we are working on. This car has a complaint. The driver is complaining that the car is hesitating, it's not running well, it has certain problems, and sometimes it is giving problems in starting. The problem is intermittent, it is not fixed. So while we scanned the car, it is giving no code. So we are going to check it manually. Here is what we are going to do it. So we are going to troubleshoot it. Actually, what we did is we scanned the car with Maxidas scanner. It did give us any problem. So the problem is Maxidas, as you know, this is a cheap scanner. It is normally not picking the fault. So what we are going to do is we are going to check it manually. So this is our upstream oxygen sensor. I have some doubt on this, so we are going to test it by multimeter first. We are going to see to check the voltage for the heater, and we will troubleshoot further. I am on ground. One of the lead of the multimeter is on ground, and the next other lead I am going to touch it to the heater circuit here on this T-pin. I am getting 12 volt, and of course the switch is on. So the heater voltage is okay, 12 volt. Now we are going to test the heater circuit for ohms. So I am going to disconnect it. On the meter ohm range, continuity. I am going to test this heater circuit for this oxygen sensor. Here are two black color wires. Of course, these are the heater circuit. These are coming here. Where is my T-pin? So I am going to test the continuity here. It should show continuity. Here I am connected, but there is no continuity. If I connect both leads, it is giving me continuity and beep. But while connecting to the heater circuit, it is showing nothing. Out of limits. It means the heater circuit is open. So this oxygen sensor is bad. What we are going to do is, we have this extra, another oxygen sensor, which we grabbed from another car. This is known good sensor. We are going to test it. We are going to test this continuity for this for this sensor. This good one. So while I am connecting, you can see a beep, and we are getting 1.1 ohm resistance. This is the resistance for the heater circuit. So this sensor is of course good, as we grabbed from a good car. So we are going to install it. For this purpose we need 22 millimeter. 22 millimeter wrench. Of course it's a ring spanner. It seems that the sensor is heated against something. So what it is bent from here. If we are comparing with a new one, with a good one, this is not bent. It means something happened to this sensor. Also we can see a very white, this seems to be silicone, which is very bad for the sensor. So we are going to fix this other good one. Snug and tight. So here we are going to connect it. Then we will see the waveform as well. But the problem we are facing is its connector seems to be different, because this is from some different car. So no worries, we will cut it from here. We'll connect the older one it seems different. So we will cut it from here, we will solder it over here, and then it will do. We will adjust the connector. As we can see, here I joined all 4 wires, because the blue is our signal wire on which now the oscilloscope probe is connected. Of course, I have grounded over here on the engine where the ground is already connected. This is what is my setup on car. Here on the oscilloscope screen, this is an analog scope, my volt star. So the minimum time piece which I can achieve is 0.2 seconds. So here, if you will see the amplitude, it is 0.5. Channel number 2, of course. So 2 division means 1 volt. So the signal is swinging between 0 and 1 volt, which is for a good oxygen sensor. Frequency is not important here because we cannot capture on this ordinary analog oscilloscope, but the signal is swinging, as we can see. This is what is our requirement. Accelerate the car a little bit. So we are accelerating and you'll see the response. Yeah, accelerate it, accelerate. So while we are accelerating, the response is going fast. Let us see. Accelerate! Should accelerate the. While accelerating, the swing is faster. It means the frequency is increasing. This is what is our repair on this car. Now we'll see on the road test. Thank you for watching.